Meaning of Exodus.
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 Exodus. Exodus refers to a mass departure or exit of a large group of people from a particular place. This typically occurs due to political, social, economic, or environmental reasons. The result of an exodus can vary depending on the situation and context. It may lead to a loss of human resources and skilled labor in an area, have an impact on the local economy, or cause a significant shift in the demographics of a region. In extreme cases, an exodus can result in large-scale displacement and humanitarian crisis.